What's up there, guys? Hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I want to just discuss and highlight a couple things that I've been seeing a lot. I've been getting asked a lot privately as well, and that's in regards to Facebook Messenger, ManyChat, how you can engage with your customers without being invasive and without breaking any terms of service. And the topic that I've been seeing a lot of people discussing lately in regards to Messenger again, which is, getting in trouble for asking your Facebook Messenger subscribers for reviews on your Amazon product. So we're going to get into that stuff right now, and I just want to try to clear some of the air because I know there's a lot of people in the Facebook groups and all these other forums that are telling you, you're going to be banned from the world if you use Messenger and all this kind of stuff. Let's just get into it. So, general rule of thumb. First, let's back up a little bit. Facebook Messenger is evolving as an ad platform from when it first began. So when it first began, there were really very little restrictions. You could pretty much do whatever you wanted with your customers, and obviously that can have some negative consequences for the customer experience. People getting spammed, people's messenger inbox is getting flooded with all these different messages. So Facebook, as they have optimized and redone their actual ad structure many times over the years, they're doing the same thing with Messenger now because of those reasons that I just highlighted. From all my experience, the one area where people are sort of getting in trouble with their Messenger ads is when you're just cold broadcasting your entire list, out of the blue, some promotion. Now, that is frowned upon with Facebook. In fact, they really don't want you to do that, and you can get banned for that. They don't want you to just send cold broadcasts to 3,000 people all at once out of nowhere, where that customer has not engaged with you for quite some time before that, right? Let's say you haven't spoken with that customer in a month, and then you just broadcast them out of nowhere a month later. You don't just broadcast them, you broadcast 3,000 people just like them who have not engaged with you in some way, shape, or form before that. That's what they don't want. That's what they want to prevent. Luckily for us, there is a very simple workaround. This sort of reminds me and takes me back to the time where Facebook pages used to be incredible, right? You used to be able to, let's say you had 1,000 Facebook fans on your Facebook fan page. You used to be able to just make a post on that page and literally, reach almost all those people that were your fans. Those days are long over, as you probably know. You probably noticed that when you make a post to your Facebook fan page, let's say you have 1,000 fans, you're going to get 3 likes, 1 comment. It's going to reach 100 people. And the reasoning for all that is Facebook wants you to pay for that engagement. Similar things are happening now with Messenger. Facebook wants you to pay for all of that marketing, for all of all of that customer engagement. So the workaround now, or what Facebook wants you to do, is utilize something called sponsored messages. So when you are in your Facebook ads manager, your business manager, creating a Facebook ad for Messenger, and you'll notice that you have 2 options at the top of the ad creation, or the ad set creation, I should say. You can run just like a regular Facebook ad to optimizing for messages, or you can run what's called a sponsored message. I think you have to click a little drop down menu for it. You can run what's called a sponsored message. And what this is actually a paid promotion, a sponsored message that shows up in your customers' inboxes instead of an actual just email broadcast, right? A message broadcast. Okay, you're actually paying for this engagement now via a Facebook ad. But I'm here to tell you that they literally cost pennies on the dollar, and you're going to be paying a few cents per engagement. So the cost is just extremely negligible, and you can still get the same benefit from those messaging broadcasts and stay within terms of service and not get in trouble. So that's what you have to really watch out for. You have to watch out for the cold messaging out of nowhere. Once the person has actually engaged with you, say entered your automated sequence, once they have actually clicked and made that commitment to receive messages from you at that given point in time, okay, let's say they clicked your sponsored message. Now you get them inside of, what we call a flow, an automated messaging sequence where, well, we have a lot more leeway now. Okay, now you can actually follow up and engage with that customer much more freely, and it's not going to be breaking any rules. So That's really the main thing, the main reason where I see people going wrong and where I see people getting in trouble. They might just message their entire list out of nowhere. Hey, leave me a review. That kind of stuff I highly frown upon. If you do it the right way, which I just told you how to do it the right way, you're going to be fine. Utilize sponsored messages, look up into sponsored messages. Very easy to set up, and you're going to be amazed with the results because the results are off the charts with that type of advertising. I just want to touch on one more thing in this video, and that is we just opened up a brand new website for my agency right now, completely redid the website. And there's a special service on this website, which I've never advertised before. It is now open to the public. So basically, all the launch screenshots that you guys have seen me share on this channel, all the testimonials, whatever that have to do with launching and ranking products are due to my launch service that I have been doing for clients for a while now. But the main thing is I've only been doing that. I've only been performing these launches for clients under special request, private message, and sort of just special case scenarios. Now I have the infrastructure in place. I have all the pieces in place together, and the time has come where I can finally roll this service out to everybody. So this is a very, very exciting time for me, for you, hopefully. So if you are interested in launching and ranking your product, or having us do it for you, you just simply want to click this work with us right here, read about the launch service that I offer, contact me. So there is no way to purchase a launch service on this page. You're going to have to contact me first. There's a lot of things to sort out. This is not like your standard launch service where it's just some cookie cutter, coupon blast or whatever. This is actually a full-on Facebook ad for up to 3 weeks, custom tailored 100% for you. So that's why it takes a little more time to set up, a little more nuanced, and a little more just specifics and details to work out. But if you think it is for you, go ahead and visit the website coolproducts.com, COUL products.com. Read about it if you're interested. Contact me. I'll be happy to work with you. Just one warning. One warning is it's not cheap. Okay, I just want to throw that out there right now. It's not cheap, because you get the best service imaginable. If this is something for you, if you're not prepared to spend, let's say, $1,000 for this service, then probably not worth your time messaging me, okay? That being said, you guys know I always keep it, super transparent and honest. That's my honesty, and this is what I have to offer. Yeah, hope you found value in this video. Don't be scared of Facebook Messenger. Don't be scared of ManyChat. It is still working incredibly well. It's still a very, very vital part of my business, along with many other successful Amazon sellers. You just have to adapt with the times and, play the game by the rules. That's it. So have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you later.